I look at myself in the mirror now and I'm like, oh my gosh, you're so skinny. Like, I've never said that to myself in my life. Like, I'm just like, wow, I'm in shock every single time I see my body. Image issues my entire life because I've always had a really big appetite, so I gained a lot of weight. And then I remember being in grade 4 and thinking, wow, okay, I'm getting fat. And then I would compare myself a lot to, everyone in my dance class or even everyone at school. And then I remember stepping on the scale and I remember just seeing 100. And I remember being like, wow, that's a lot. So ever since, and I remember even writing that in my diary, I'm 100 pounds, I need to lose weight. And I was in grade 4. So ever since then, it's always been a struggle. And the struggle was always, the harder I was on myself to lose the weight, the more weight I would gain and the more I would eat. And that's been my life until I found Bitcoin. No carb diet, keto, the cabbage soup diet. It's awful. The Dukan diet, South Beach. I tried going vegetarian. I tried cutting out dairy. I tried everything. And obviously nothing ever stuck. So I really did not think I had 26 pounds to lose. So just that right there, just the number on the scale is unbelievable. So physically, it's been unbelievable. Mentally, what it's done for me is like, that's just priceless. Everything from having a more positive mindset. I've developed my follow-through muscle. So I've trained myself, and I'm still working on it obviously, but I've trained myself to get through those tough points and those tough moments and to just keep going through as opposed to just giving up. I procrastinate less because my body's getting used to facing things it doesn't want to face and to just work through it and get it done. So that's been huge. I would do things so that I can feel validated based on external things. And I would do things for other people. And that again was for a certain level of validation. So everything was external. Whereas now it's all internal and I do it for me now. Once you start doing things like that for yourself, that's when you build that relationship with yourself. And then you don't want to just do that in terms of your fitness, you want to do that everywhere. So it's that ripple effect again. You want to apply those same standards to other areas in your life. This is why I would recommend this program to so many people. And it's not just about the exercises. It's not just about the meal plan. You can get that anywhere. Although your meal plan is pretty amazing. It's the accountability. It's the community. You don't feel alone. This program has made me realize just how unhappy I was my whole life. And not because I had a bad life or anything, but just the relationship that I had with myself, my views on things, my outlook. I seriously do not know where I would be right now had I not come across your program.